What we gonna do?
I don't know. Okay, so I just said why not? So let's. This is the same day, the same time.
My foot is itching. Not itching, but I got my foot.
She made me cry 2 times.
Nobody needs to know that lives in Canada. Okay, so let's talk about why we made this channel. Because why not? No, because why not? You know, like
it's called Chloe. Wait, no.
It's called Rainy Poo and Chloe Poo. Subscribe.
And hit that notification. I'm not good at this.
Notification though. Notification.
And the bed and the. I said and the bed and the bell. I watch videos a lot, and I make videos with my friends at daycare. But
daycare,
summer camp.
So guys, I'm going to 7th grade.
So guys, I'm going to 2nd grade.
I'm going to 7th grade.
And Eli's going to 10th grade. What?
So let's talk. So we made this channel because like we was eating ramen noodles and like, oh, why not? You know, like.
No, she did it because I was upstairs cleaning my room.
And like.
And let me go show you my room right now. So here is my room. If you can even see anything.
And like, so I don't know. I'm not gonna show them. I'm not gonna show them my room. So like,
my room is really dirty. First of all,
I don't even know how to like edit any videos. Like, I don't even know anything. I just post the videos.
Yeah, she does.
Sometimes I got some high come through the bye. Okay, bye.